Router 4 and Router 5 are advertising the 45.1.1.0/24 network into BGP. Log into the autonomous system 65,123 routers and take a look at their BGP tables. Router 1 prefers the path via Router 4. Router 2 prefers the path via Router 5. And Router 3 prefers the path via Router 4. Organizations may have multiple exits, with one being preferred over the other for one reason or another. There is intent defined by policy. Currently, Autonomous System 65,123 isn't designed with deterministic intent and does not own control of the internal autonomous system path selection. Routers 1 through 3 made path selection decisions based on default behavior. This could easily change. Let me show you what I mean. Log into Router 4. A route map called AS path is already pre-configured. When applied to a neighbor, it will cause routes to be advertised with the autonomous system number appended multiple times. Apply the route map to the Router 1 neighbor in the out direction. Issue the command clear IP BGP star soft. All the routers all agree, which is great, but the change was influenced by an external factor. Autonomous System 65,123 still does not have sole control of influencing exit path selection. This is where the local preference comes into play. Local preference is applied on the gateway routers within an autonomous system. Routes received by the gateways will be advertised into the autonomous system with a local preference value set higher than the default of 100. This will place the decision-making solely within the autonomous system. On Router 1, issue the command BGP default local preference 200 under the BGP process. Autonomous System 65,123 should now prefer the path via Router 1 to Router 4. The BGP tables revealed the path via Router 1 to Router 4 is preferred even with the larger, less preferred autonomous system path.